Hugging Face Transformers is a library that helps you use smart language tools powered by AI. These tools understand and generate human language, like answering questions or classifying text. You don't need to teach them from scratch, they are already trained. You can choose a pre-trained tool, make it even better with your own data, and use it in your projects. There is a model hub where you can find and share cool language tools created by others. If you are into AI and love playing with words, Hugging Face Transformers is an awesome way to explore and create cool language-based projects. Imagine you want to build an application that can understand what people are saying or answer their questions. Instead of teaching a computer everything about language, you can use pre-trained models from Hugging Face. These models have already learned a lot by reading a massive amount of text, so they are really good at understanding language.